I'm Amy Licurdo, and today we are making more of my favorite treats all about Disney. Aren't these cute? I made some Christmas Oreo cookies a couple years ago that went bananas on the internet. And so kind of every holiday I do it again. And today we are going to make Valentine's Day Minnie Mouse Oreo cookie pops. I've also got a printable that you can give as a gift. It just says Happy Valentine's Day with a mini bow because the polka dot bow is so mini. I can't wait to show you how to make these today, so let's get started. How cute are these? So now it's time to download your printable. So you guys just click below and get the link. You can just put them on your cookie pops like this. So easy. It makes the cutest gift. So you guys have a happy Valentine's Day and thanks for watching. Okay, if you're a Disney fanatic like I am, I'm going to show you some of my new ears that we just got at Disneyland. Here is one of my favorites. Isn't this one cute? It's really comfy too. A lot of times they're really tight, but this one is perfect. So we got these at Disneyland. I don't know if they have them at World, but they're really cute. And then since it was still Christmas when I was there, I had to get the Christmas plaid. I love these. And they look really cute when you're wearing red. Look at how fun! Aren't these cute? It's a little Toy Story dog, Slinky Dog. You can find these on Pixar Pier in Disneyland. They have 2 stores. It's over by the Toy Story ride. Hope you had fun looking at my ears today, and thanks for watching my tutorial. Bye guys.